Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest and most innovative products on the market. In this episode, we're diving into the VITURE One Cloud Pack, XR Glasses and Neckband, a revolutionary product that brings gaming and entertainment to a whole new level. The VITURE One XR smart glasses come with a powerful neckband that packs a 3200 mAh battery. It runs on an Android-based OS, providing access to all your favorite apps, making it a versatile companion. Leave your gaming console at home. The VITURE neckband is optimized for the cloud. Stream your favorite AAA titles from your home console virtually anywhere in the world with a stable Wi-Fi or 5G connection. It includes PSPlay and XBXPlay, two popular third-party console streaming apps. The VITURE One XR glasses offer screen customization. Adjust the screen size and position with the neckband, even minimizing it to the corner for an ambient mode, allowing you to stay connected with your surroundings. The VITURE app is your companion, offering intuitive interactions and touch gestures on your smartphone. Easily send text from your phone to your neckband, making sign in a breeze. Available on both iOS and Android platforms. These XR smart glasses feature adjustable electrochromic film, providing a seamless, pixel-free virtual screen. Compatible with any USB-C device capable of video and power output, including Steam Deck, ROG Ally, MacBook, iPad, and many Android phones. You can enhance your experience with additional accessories, such as lens shade and USB Circa XR charging adapter for iPhone. These add-ons enable you to enjoy enhanced features like multi-screen and VR video capabilities on your device. We've gathered some feedback from users who have experienced the VITURE One Cloud Pack. They have praised its utility for working, gaming, and entertainment on the go. Many users appreciate the convenience of the neckband and the immersive experiences it offers. The VITURE One Cloud Pack, XR Glasses and Neckband is a game-changer in the world of gaming and entertainment. With its powerful features, customizable screen, and versatile accessories, it offers a unique and immersive experience. Whether you're a gamer or simply looking to enhance your on-the-go entertainment, the VITURE One Cloud Pack is worth considering. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. If you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode.